In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Navbar sticky in Framer. By the end, your navigation bar will smoothly stay visible at the top while users scroll, helping with usability and keeping key links always within reach. Start by opening your browser and heading to framer.com. If you're prompted, sign in, then open the project you want to work on so you're looking at the main canvas. The canvas is where all your frames, sections, and components live, and it's the best place to confirm how your layout is structured before changing behavior like sticky positioning. Next, look to the left side of the interface and find the Layers panel. Locate your navbar or header frame there and select it. This should be the element that contains your logo, navigation links, and any buttons you want to keep visible. If your navigation is part of a component, select the component instance on the page so the change applies to what users actually see. Now shift your attention to the right side properties panel. Scroll until you find the position section. This is where Framer handles how an element behaves in relation to the page or its parent container. You'll typically see options like auto, fixed, and sticky. Auto means it flows with the page, fixed stays pinned to the viewport at all times, and sticky is the sweet spot for headers that only stick once you scroll past them. Change the type to sticky. Set it to stick to the top so the nav holds at the top edge of its scrolling area. If you see an offset field, set the top offset to 0 for a clean flush alignment. It's a good idea to make sure the nav spans the full width of the page and sits above content visually. If needed, raise its layer order or Z index and give it a solid background so content doesn't show through when it overlaps. Remember that sticky behavior depends on the nav living inside a scrollable container, such as the page or a scroll frame. When you're ready, click Preview. In the Preview window, scroll down the page. You should see the nav scroll naturally at first and then lock into place at the top once it reaches that point. That's the key difference from fixed. Sticky respects the flow of the layout and the boundaries of its parent. If you don't see it stick, confirm the nav is inside the scrolling frame and not outside it. That's it. You've made your navbar sticky in Framer, and now your visitors can navigate effortlessly no matter how far they scroll.